Good morning, YouTube. It's Thursday morning here. I'm going to be doing catalytic converter locations on the 2015 Ford Taurus Limited, so let's get right into it. So, when you first open the hood to the 2015 Ford Taurus Limited, open the hood obviously. Once you look right here in front of the engine where the first 3 cylinders of the V6 are, right down there in the middle with that blue lining there, that's the cat converter for the front. I'm also going to do an underneath the hood, underneath the engine I should say, underneath the engine. I'm going to go underneath right now and show you this cat converter from underneath and then the one in the back from underneath. So let's do it. Alright YouTube, you're looking at the catalytic converter on my 2015 Ford Taurus Limited. Yep, I already warmed up the car, so you know this thing's going to be completely hot as hell. Yeah, I probably should not be touching that. Well, the pipe is one thing. Yeah, the pipe is one thing. You don't want to be touching the cat converter directly. That's the front one right there, as you guys can see. That's the first location. My car only has 2. I know there's cars that have 3, but not for the Ford Taurus. I'm just saying, like, in general. There's cars that can have 3. Some cars can have 2. I think some can have 4. I don't know. But my car only came with 2. So that's the front one. That's the down pipe going right through. That's the front one. Down pipe goes right to the exhaust, as you guys can see there. And then second to last one's in the back right here. Right there. Yep, as you guys can see it. And that the wiring going in there on the side there, that's the O2 sensor. And I'm making a video on this because I never made a video on the cat converter locations, the catalytic converters. But yeah, and you got the flex pipe over there, which goes in what used to be my resonator back there, the mid muffler resonator, but I took out the mid muffler resonator because it's deleted, obviously, because it's not there. It's just a straight pipe. But yeah, so that's the second cat converter location. I'm also going to show you the cat converter from a different angle. So I'm going to take off one of my tires right now and show you guys the different angle that that you guys can see it from. Okay YouTube, after a lengthy process of just taking off my tire just now, all the lug nuts and stuff there. So the next catalytic converter, the back catalytic converter is right in front of you, as you can see right there. The O2 sensor wiring is right there. Bring it closer if I can. The down pipe is right there with the bolt on, and then the cat converter is right there with the other 2 bolt-ons you see up there in the wall-mounted shape right there. Yep, that's the back catalytic converter from this angle when you take off the tire on the passenger side front of the vehicle. So yep, that's the catalytic converters for my 2015 Ford Taurus Limited. Yep. This is not part of the video I was talking about yesterday for that surprise video. The surprise video is coming out later on today. It does involve the cat converters, but I'm not going to say what, so that's all I'm going to say. So, but yep, that's the catalytic converter locations for the 2015 Ford Taurus Limited. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more content.